Hey guys, what's going on? This is your boy Azam with INVESTOFY, and in today's video, I'm going to go over my top 4 stocks to buy in March 2021, which are my growth stocks, artificial intelligence stocks that you guys should think about buying today. Before we get started, please note that this is all for educational purposes only. And if you're looking to get a few free stocks for the value of up to $1,600, check out our link below for Webull. Also join our subscription so that you can get free stock alerts like these sent directly to your inbox. So let's get right into it. So the first stock for March 2021, my first high growth AI stock, artificial intelligence stock that I recommend you guys look into is iCAD. iCAD is a platform for health services. They also have a cancer image classifier software that they have created, and they're a growing company. You can see that their market cap is only 400 million. They have only 28.6 million in sales. Their earnings were up 50% this year or this past quarter. For next year, they're anticipating their earnings to be up over 88%. Now, this is the interesting part. If you just look at their chart, this is the weekly chart, and you can see that this stock went from literally over the last 12 months from the low of 591 to now over to $21. And what I want to show you is over the last 1 year, they're down by 21% from their high, but from their low, they're up by over 180%. So if I was to buy this stock, there's a couple of different places where I could buy this stock at. One is I think it is giving me a good buying opportunity, but I believe that this stock might drop a little more, maybe get to like $16. Well, it almost did before. So I think it's probably going to start picking back up from above here at about 15.5. And you can put a stop loss at about, I would say 11.5. The other thing that you can do is that, you can just put a stop loss at, all the way down here if you're taking an investor approach, because this is the kind of stock that you want to own, and then you want to own it for at least a couple of years, 2 to 3 years minimum, and just put a stop loss at $8, like 8.45, and just let this stock ride, because I genuinely believe this stock has the potential to easily double. But more than that, over the next few years, this is a stock that has potential to be 10x its current market cap. It's in the AI space, it's in the healthcare space. So check that out. The second stock I have is Five9. And again, it's a software infrastructure company, AI based. They have big partnerships that they've done. Their sales were up 38%, right? And their market cap is already 10.5 billion. They have over 430 million in sales. And from their high of 52 weeks, they're down 23%. But from their low, they're up almost 200%, right? So you've seen this huge shot up from like below $60 all the way to $200. So the stock's done really well. Even the performance here is up 113%. Definitely a software company to look into. They have a lot of potential, and you can read a little bit more about, the kind of channels that they operate in, that, cloud contact center as a service solutions to its clients. So they have agreement with Deloitte Digital as well to bring transformational cloud contact. So that's what they're working on with Deloitte, which is a huge consulting firm. So definitely a company to look into as well from a growth standpoint and from an artificial intelligence standpoint. The third company is actually one of my favorites, and it is CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike is a cybersecurity company, but more than that, it's actually one that's created their own machine learning algorithm that fights, hackers and different kind of penetration testings that they do with that. And this is just a phenomenal company that's gone from the low of 40 to up to 260 in just a matter of in less than 2 years. They have a huge market cap of $41 billion. They have 760 in sales. Their sales for the quarter grew by 85%, and their earnings were up by over 35%. But here's the interesting part, right? From their high, they're down by almost 29%, just like what's happening with almost all the growth stocks right now. So it's going on a discount. But from its low of 52 weeks, it's up by 462%. So this company has had an amazing run, and now it's pulling back. And I believe that there's a couple of buying opportunities. One could be if the stock dips more to close to 150, you can buy it with a stop loss at about 115. Like put your stop loss around here, buy it around this point. Or if you can take an investor approach, just buy it now, because we just don't know. We cannot time when the stock will move back up. I wish I could, that would be great. But yes, as you can see, like it's had a few gaps. It's broken through this one. There's a support level at about 160, but then the next is at 120. And I think that this is a much stronger support level that it might not cross. So 160 might be a good opportunity, and it's already pulled it to 168 in the past, yesterday, day before yesterday. So definitely a stock to look at. CrowdStrike, great cybersecurity company, and the founders are still there. The fourth stock that I have for you guys is Trade Desk. Trade Desk is basically working with digital advertising. They have a huge data as well that they provide. They work with different exchanges as well in the ad tech space. And this company has over 800 million in sales, over 31 billion in market cap. You can just see their numbers, like their quarter by quarter, they're up 48%. Their earnings are up over 187%. From their high, they're down 30%. So we are getting a bit of a discount. But from their low, they're up 400%, which is insane when you look at this number. In their performance year, they're up 168. So definitely a great growth value stock to own in March 2021. And I think right now this is a great support level where you can buy the stock at this current price with a low of 540, or you can even put a stop loss at about 388. This is a company that I think will one day be valued at over $100 billion, and for all that it's been able to do. And finally, because you've stuck around again with me in this video and you've gone through all these four stocks, ICAD, 59, FIVN, CrowdStrike, which is CRWD, and Trade Desk, which is TTD symbol, I have a fifth stock for you guys as well, a fifth AI growth stock to buy in March 2021. And that is, let me just try to pull this up, C3AI. C3AI is basically a platform. They've partnered up with fintech companies. They've partnered up with Google and Microsoft and supply chain businesses. They've even partnered up with intelligence agencies. And as an AI company, they currently only have a market cap of 7.8 billion. When you compare that to the market cap of Trade Desk at 31, CrowdStrike at over 40 billion, Five9 at 10 billion, right? And only ICAD has less than that. I think this company is easily something that can double in value over the next few years. And right now, as it keeps dropping, it's creating opportunity as an investor to get into this stock, to hold on to this stock for a while. I anticipate that they will grow even more with just the strategic partnerships they've already done. So definitely a great stock to look into. And let me know what you think about this. Once again, guys, thank you so much. This was my list of the top 5 perhaps, high growth artificial intelligence stocks that you can buy in March 2021. If you guys like this video, please like it, subscribe to it, share it with your friends. And don't forget to get your free stocks from Webull below. Also, don't forget to sign up for our email newsletter to get free alerts sent directly to you. Thank you so much, guys. This is your boy Azam with INVESTOFY. Have a great day. Goodbye.